Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to modify text in Affinity Designer. Whether you're working on a logo, poster, or any graphic design project, knowing how to customize your text properly can make all the difference in creating professional-looking designs. Text is one of the most important parts of any design because it communicates your message and also influences the overall style and feeling of your project. By learning these text editing tools, you can create designs that look more polished and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new file to get started. With your workspace ready, click on the text you want to modify. This will select the text element and allow you to make changes to its appearance. Before making adjustments, make sure your text layer is selected correctly. This ensures that any changes you apply, such as colors, effects, or spacing, will only affect the text element you want to edit. Now, if you want to change the color of your text, navigate to the right panel. Here, you'll find the color picker, which gives you access to a full spectrum of colors. Select from the color picker to choose the color that best fits your design. This is a quick and straightforward way to update the look of your text instantly. Changing text color is especially useful when matching your design with branding guidelines, creating visual contrast, or highlighting important information. For example, you can use brighter colors for attention-grabbing headlines or softer colors for a cleaner and minimal design style. If you want to add an outline to your text, navigate to the right panel and click on Quick FX. This feature opens up a variety of effects you can apply from the options available. Select Outline. Adding an outline can help your text stand out, especially when placed over complex backgrounds or images. Outlines are commonly used in posters, thumbnails, advertisements, and social media graphics because they improve readability and make text easier to notice. A well-balanced outline can separate your text from the background without making the design look too heavy. After enabling the outline, click the color picker to choose your preferred outline color. This allows you to create contrast or harmony with your text fill color, depending on your design goals. Once you've selected your outline color, navigate to the radius setting. Use the slider and drag it from left to right to adjust the thickness of the outline. Moving the slider further to the right will create a thicker outline, while keeping it to the left will result in a thinner, more subtle border. The right outline thickness depends on your design. A thicker outline may work better for large display text, while a thinner outline can be a better choice for clean and professional layouts. Next, let's explore the character settings for more detailed text modifications. In the top toolbar, click on Window, then select Text, and click on Character. This opens up a comprehensive panel on the right side that gives you full control over your text's appearance. The Character panel is where you can make advanced adjustments that affect how your text looks and feels. These settings are useful when you want more control over typography, instead of relying only on basic text changes. In the right panel, navigate to Font Family. Click the drop-down menu to browse through all available fonts on your system. Select your preferred font from the list. Choosing the right font is crucial as it sets the tone and style of your entire design, so take a moment to find one that matches your vision. For example, bold fonts can create a strong and powerful appearance, while clean modern fonts can make your design feel simple and professional. The font choice should always match the purpose and audience of your project. Finally, if you want to adjust the spacing between letters, navigate to the tracking option in the right panel. Click the up and down buttons to adjust the letter spacing. Increasing the tracking will spread your letters further apart, which can create a more open, modern look, while decreasing it will bring the letters closer together for a tighter, more compact appearance. Adjusting tracking is especially helpful when working with headings, logos, or large text, because small spacing changes can significantly improve the overall balance of your design. And there you have it. You've successfully modified your text in Affinity Designer by changing colors, adding outlines, adjusting fonts, and fine-tuning letter spacing. These text editing techniques will help you create cleaner, more professional designs and give you greater control over your typography in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.